Joey. He's an Australian Shepherd. His owners brought him here for his 2-week board train to get him socialized with other people, help him to build confidence and not be scared of anybody or anything. Right now he is totally terrified of me, and we're going to work through that, and I can't wait to see what he can do at the end of the 2 weeks. He knows some of his commands, not all of them, but let's see what he can do today. Joey, come. Good boy. Yes, Joey, sit. Good, Joey. Joey, down. Joey, down. Place. Good boy. Sit. Oh, almost. Place. Come on. Good. No. Joey, come on. Place. Good. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Yep. Good. Well, you saw what he can do. See his transformation from day 1 to day 14 on Facebook and YouTube. Have a nice day. Good boy, Joey. Good boy. That's a good boy.
so handsome. Oh, you have your way, and it's making me weaken. You and your stardust, walking like that. It's really getting too much, but I can't pull back. Though I try to resist, I can't fight this. And no one makes me feel like you do. And no one sets my body on fire. And no one gives me shivers like you. Oh, no one does it better. How I try to sleep, but you're deep in my mind. Got a hold of me. When I'm awake, I'm all blind. You and your magic, like infinite power. God knows I try to resist, but you're pulling me closer. Oh, I gotta stay away, but you won't let me.